Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P2195 indicates that the air-fuel AF sensor signal is stuck lean in a Honda HR-V model from 2016 to 2022. The air-fuel sensor, also known as the wideband oxygen sensor, plays a critical role in regulating the engine's air-fuel mixture, ensuring optimal combustion and emissions control. Typically situated on the exhaust manifold, just before the catalytic converter, this sensor monitors the exhaust gases to adjust the fuel supply accordingly. A lean condition means there is too much air relative to fuel, which can lead to performance issues and increased emissions. Before diving into troubleshooting, it is crucial to understand if other related diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present, as this can provide insights into the underlying issues. For instance, if the vehicle had previously stalled due to an empty fuel tank, this could trigger the P2195 code. Thus, ensure the vehicle has sufficient fuel prior to commencing diagnostics. The air-fuel sensor serves as an essential component within the engine management system, providing vital data to the powertrain control module, PCM. Located on the exhaust system, the AFA sensor, Sensor 1, detects the proportion of oxygen in the exhaust gases, which is crucial for determining whether the combustion is adequately rich or lean. This information allows the ECM to adjust fuel injection rates accordingly, influencing performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. A stuck lean signal indicates that the sensor is reporting excessive air or insufficient fuel, which can lead to suboptimal engine performance, increased exhaust emissions, and possible engine damage over time due to running too lean. Therefore, it is important to accurately diagnose and rectify the underlying problem to avoid further complications. There are several possible causes for the occurrence of DTC P2195. A common reason is a dirty mass airflow, MAF sensor, or intake air temperature, IAT sensor, which can skew the readings and result in improper fuel mixture calculations. The installation of the AF sensor may also be improper. If it is loose or disconnected from components like the warm-up three-way catalytic converter, WUTWC, the sensor will not function accurately. Furthermore, electrical issues, such as poor connections or loose terminals at either the AF sensor or the PCM, can lead to intermittent signals or complete failure to communicate, resulting in the lean condition being reported. Any of these scenarios need to be thoroughly inspected, as they could lead to the persistence of the P2195 code. The symptoms associated with DTC P2195 can significantly impact the drivability of the Honda HR-V. Drivers may notice poor engine performance, as the lean condition can lead to rough idling, misfires, and a lack of power during acceleration. In addition, there might be an increase in fuel consumption, since the engine may adjust to compensate for the perceived lack of fuel, resulting in inefficient combustion. Another common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as an alert to the driver that the vehicle management system has detected an issue. If left unaddressed, these symptoms may escalate, leading to further engine complications and costly repairs. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2195 involves visually inspecting the MAF and IAT sensors. Begin by safely removing these sensors to gain access for examination. It is crucial to check for any dirt or debris that may have accumulated, obstructing the sensor's ability to function correctly. If contamination is found, it can severely affect the readings, leading to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments. In situations where the contamination is significant, replacing the MAF or IAT sensor may be necessary to restore accurate sensor readings. Cleaning the sensor may also be an option, but ensure that you use appropriate cleaning methods to avoid damage. Once this step is completed, you should proceed to the next step to further diagnose the issue. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P2195 requires verifying the installation of the AF sensor, Sensor 1 itself. It is important to closely inspect whether the sensor is securely installed or if it appears loose or disconnected. A loose installation can compromise the sensor's ability to report accurate data to the PCM, leading to a falsely identified lean condition. If the AF sensor is found to be improperly installed, reconnecting or securely reinstating it will be necessary to remedy the issue. After addressing any installation problems, follow up by checking the system for DTC P2195 to ascertain if the issue persists. This will help you determine whether subsequent troubleshooting steps are required. The third step of the troubleshooting process involves a series of checks that confirm whether DTC P2195 is persisting. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC codes from the system. Once cleared, start the engine to allow it to run while monitoring the situation. For this, hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates, which usually indicates the engine is reaching normal operating conditions. After performing this procedure, verify if DTC P2195 or any other pending DTCs appear using the HDS. This step is fundamental for identifying whether the prior interventions have resolved the issue or if further investigation is warranted. The final repair verification step examines the critical connections associated with the AF sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM. Poor connections or loose terminals can result in intermittent sensor signals, leading to recurring DTC P2195. Therefore, meticulous checks of the connections at the AF sensor and the PCM are essential. If the PCM is found to have outdated software, updating it may resolve the issue. Should it persist, substituting a known good PCM can help determine whether the original module was faulty. If the DTC goes away after updates or substitution, you'll know that the repair is successful. Otherwise, further diagnostics may be required. This step is paramount to ensure comprehensive repair completion. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in minimizing the chances of encountering DTC P2195 in the future. First and foremost, regularly cleaning the MAF and AF sensors can prevent residue buildup that might lead to inaccurate readings. It's also advisable to conduct periodic inspections of the electrical connections associated with these sensors, ensuring that all terminals are secure and free from corrosion. Keeping the PCM updated with the latest software versions is crucial, as it enables optimal performance from the vehicle's engine management system. Furthermore, developing a maintenance schedule that focuses on engine components can greatly extend their life and functionality, contributing positively to overall vehicle performance. By implementing these preventive measures, the likelihood of issues being introduced can be significantly reduced. In conclusion, DTC P2195 highlights a problematic AF sensor signal, indicating a lean condition in the Honda HR-V. The AF sensor's role in regulating the air-fuel mixture is essential for ensuring efficient engine performance and minimizing emissions. As such, thorough diagnostics are critical in identifying any underlying issues, ranging from dirty sensors to electrical problems, which could impact the vehicle's operation. Employing preventive maintenance practices can aid in avoiding recurrent issues and provide long-term benefits for performance and reliability. By understanding this code, and implementing proper troubleshooting steps, vehicle owners and technicians can ensure their HRV remains in peak operating condition. Always remember that timely intervention is key to preventing further complications in the engine management system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.